Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find drafts for posts on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on post option, just click, then post and show your drafts video. Okay, then discard post and click on post option and type on okay, then next and back cross, then tap on save draft. Okay, then go and open anytime and just click on plus icon and post and show to find drafts post on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.